In today's video, let's see the second part of regulation for emergency source of electrical power in cargo ships. The information in this video is sourced from SOLAS, Chapter 2-2 under Regulation 10 for firefighting. These subjects were discussed in our previous video. Link is available in the description. Today we are going to discuss the following topics. Pumps accepted as fire pumps. Sanitary, ballast, bilge or general service pumps may be accepted as fire pumps, provided that they are not normally used for pumping oil. Ships shall be provided with independently driven fire pumps as follows. In cargo ships of 1,000 gross tonnage and upwards, at least 2. Less than 1,000 gross tonnage, at least 2 power-driven pumps, one of which shall be independently driven. Arrangement of sea connections, fire pumps and their sources of power shall be as to ensure that in passenger ships of 1,000 gross tonnage and upwards, in the event of a fire in any one compartment, all the fire pumps will not be put out of action, and in passenger ships of less than 1,000 gross tonnage and in cargo ships, if a fire in any one compartment could put all the pumps out of action. Ventilation arrangements to the space containing the independent source of power for the emergency fire pump shall be like to preclude, as far as practicable, the possibility of smoke from machinery space fire entering or being drawn into that space. In cargo ships where pumps are fitted in machinery spaces, arrangements should be made to ensure that at least one of these pumps has the capacity and pressure required for the fire service's main fire hydrant on board the ship. Total capacity of required fire pumps. Regulation 2-135-1 requires fire pumps on passenger and cargo ships to be capable of delivering a quantity of water at the pressure specified in paragraph 2.1.6. The required fire pumps need not exceed 180 cubic meters/h, provided that in no cargo ship, other than those included in paragraph 7.3.2, need the total capacity of the fire pumps exceed 180 mu/h. Fire hoses shall be of non-perishable material approved by the administration and shall be sufficient in length to project a jet of water to any of the spaces in which they may be required to be used. Hoses specified in this chapter as fire hoses shall, together with any necessary fittings and tools, be kept ready for use in conspicuous positions near the water service hydrants or connections. Additionally, in interior locations in passenger ships carrying more than 36 passengers, fire hoses shall be connected to the hydrants at all times. Ships shall be provided with fire hoses, the number and diameter of which shall be to the satisfaction. In cargo ships of 1,000 gross tonnage and upwards, the number of fire hoses to be provided shall be 1 for each 30 meters length of the ship and 1 spare, but in no case less than 5 in all. In cargo ships of less than 1,000 gross tonnage, the number of fire hoses to be provided shall be calculated in accordance with the provisions of paragraph 2.3.2.3.1. For the purposes of this chapter, standard nozzle sizes shall be 12 mm, 16 mm and 19 mm or as near thereto as possible. For accommodation and service spaces, a nozzle size greater than 12 mm need not be used. Nozzles shall be of an approved dual-purpose type incorporating a shutoff. Portable fire extinguishers, type and design. Portable fire extinguishers shall comply with the requirements of the Fire Safety Systems Code. Arrangement of fire extinguishers. Accommodation spaces, service spaces and control stations shall be provided with portable fire extinguishers of appropriate types and in sufficient number to the satisfaction of the administration. Ships of 1,000 gross tonnage and upward shall carry at least 5 portable fire extinguishers. In control stations and other spaces containing electrical or electronic equipment or appliances necessary for the safety of the ship, fire extinguishers should be provided whose extinguishing media are neither electrically conductive nor harmful to the equipment and appliances. Spare charges shall be provided for 100% of the first 10 extinguishers and 50% of the remaining fire extinguishers capable of being recharged on board. For fire extinguishers which cannot be recharged on board, additional portable fire extinguishers of the same quantity, type, capacity and number as determined in paragraph 3.3.1 above shall be provided in lieu of spare charges. Remaining subjects will be discussed in next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please share with your friends, and subscribe to MarinAura for more such videos. If you have any queries or comments, drop it in comment box.